Hey friends, today we are going to make flavored paneer. So first we'll take 1 liter of full cream milk and some lemon juice. 1 big lemon is fine. Then add equal quantity of water in the lemon juice. Now we will boil the milk. Once the milk is boiled, we'll turn off the gas and we'll add half teaspoon of oregano and half teaspoon of chili flakes. Now start adding lemon water and keep mixing the milk. Continue adding the lemon water until the color of the milk is changed and the paneer chunks are visible like this. Now we will strain the paneer. For that, take a muslin cloth like this and place it on a strainer. We'll strain the paneer now. After straining the paneer, try to get all the excess water out from the paneer and make a knot of cloth like this. To make an even slab of paneer, place a plate like this followed by some weight on it and leave it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, our paneer is ready. Let's slice it now. Kindly give your feedback for this video and do subscribe as it helps us a lot. Thank you for watching.